In today's video, I will be reviewing the Foldscope by Foldscope instruments. So let's get into the video. So this is the Foldscope by Foldscope instruments. This slider is used for x-axis viewing. This one is used for y-axis panning. And the small slider in the front is used for z-axis panning. The lens has a zooming capability of 140x and the resolution of the lens is 2 microns. If you want to know how a specimen looks under a Foldscope, then I'll provide the link of our new shots in the iCard above. In the shots, we have observed the cells of onion peel under a microscope. Be sure to check it out. So, let's see the contents of the pack now. You get the Foldscope, the instruction manual, the most important document to use the Foldscope basic kit, a Foldscope field guide, 2 sheets of transparent stickers, 1 sheet of ring stickers, 4 solid specimen slides and 2 water specimen slides, a bubble wrap cover with 2 magnetic couplers and 1 lens, and 1 cotton swab. Now let's take a look at them in detail. We have already seen the Foldscope. This is the Foldscope field guide. It has a list of things you can observe with the Foldscope and it will flash on the screen now. These are the 2 sheets of transparent stickers. It is used as a cover slip in our slide. You get a Foldscope sticker. You can stick it anywhere you want. You get 9 ring stickers and it's of 1 sheet. It's used during inserting the lens. These are the 4 solid specimen slides and the 2 water specimen slides. This is the magnetic coupler. It is used for phone viewing. The lens in this and the magnetic coupler also come in this bubble wrap cover. Then, in the instruction manual, we have the procedure to assemble all the things with their information. The most important document for using the Foldscope basic guide. It has the links and the QR codes to the manuals and a section of frequently asked questions. They have also provided a cotton swab for the cleaning purpose of the lens. All of these contents are provided in the pouch. The color of the pouch may vary and it's not of your choice. According to my perspective, the Foldscope is an amazing product to discover the microscopic world around you. It is available in Amazon for Rs 349. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share it to those who are searching for a budget microscope. And thanks for watching.